Just got Jama here from the Lawnmowers. How's the game today?
Abysmal. Wasn't good at all from us, unfortunately. Against the Red Barons, they were really composed side. We at times gave them too much time, at times too much space, so they really used that, especially first half. They scored quite a few. And then, yeah, in the second half, we definitely played a bit better. I think they only got one in the second half. We created a few chances, but we just couldn't convert any, and it was obviously a little bit too late. But full credit to them, and we kind of did everything wrong today. So,
well, I hope you guys bounce back next week.
Cheers.
Yeah. So it's got Brad here from the Red Barons. How's the game today?
Very good. We played really well. One of the best performances I think we've put together this season. I won 6-0. I think.
It must be quite satisfying with a couple of experience on the team.
Yeah, very satisfying, and their faces were very pleasing at the end. So yeah,
Well,
it was nice to get away.
congratulations.